Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having an issue when attempting to reset your PC and it appears to be stuck on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I recommend to doing is just give it some time to reset your computer guys. It can take a couple of hours potentially to actual reset your computer. I don't work immediately in 1 or 2 minutes. Give it some times to reset your computer guys. Give at least 3 hours, 3 or more hours more than that. If you still having a problem, just to do a hard power off your computer, hold the power button, then it will shut down guys, and you just need to turn it on back to Windows and go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator, click on it, click yes. In here you need to type sfc space slash sean now, press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, verification need to get 100% guys, 1% need to get 100%. Let's wait for it. After finishing this 100% guys, type command chkdsk space slash or press enter. chkdsk space slash or. After that, chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restarts? You just need to type in keyboard Y and press enter guys. Now this volume will check the next time the system restarts. You just need to close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. Don't follow me guys. One more thing is there. Don't be cut off my video. This is not finished. Wait for it. Now you just need to don't press any key in keyboard guys. Don't press any key in keyboard. This will scan your C drive and fix any problem is there. After this done guys, go and reset utility again and you should good to go guys. After that, that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.